1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix all dry ingredients and set aside. To cup sugar, 1 c brown sugar and 1 c white. 3/4 cup melted butter. Mix using a hand mixer or a wire whisk. 3 medium-sized egg yolks, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. And mix again until well combined. Add dry ingredients in 2 batches. Mix until no lumps. Grease baking tray with butter. Put parchment paper. Transfer mixture to baking tray. Add some toppings of your choice. Ready to bake. In a preheated oven, 350 Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes.